Hey, I am Mel and welcome to my channel Melanie Kate. I am here today because I'm so excited that autumn is coming. We have had quite hot weather recently, so it's so nice to be able to actually dry my hair of an evening and straighten it, hence why I have done that today. But I also love to put texture into my hair. Fun fact is I have really natural curly hair. I just don't like my hair natural. I don't like to wear it natural. So today I am going to show you how to do this, which is a fishtail. It's really hard to show you. Plait. And all I've used is my hands. Obviously I straighten my hair. This would be perfect with short hair, long hair, curly hair, straight hair, wavy hair, whatever hair. As well. But yeah, all you need is bobby pins, elastics, clear elastics, you know, them little plastic ones, but I've run out of them. These will do fine. Or for me, I found two of Abigail's, so I've got two purple ones in, as you'll see as the video goes on. But here you go, this is the tutorial. I was gonna film 3 looks today, but actually I impressed with this one that much that I've decided just to go with this one. So I hope you enjoy. Autumn is just about to arrive and I cannot wait for layers and the beautiful colours and be able to wear my hair down. Well, I can wear it down now, but being able to just dry it because it's not hot in here, and I just can't wait. So I've straightened my hair today because that is pretty much how I wear my hair, though this would work with a curl too, or a wave, any kind of hair. But it's just about adding a bit of texture to your hair basically. I have got balayage hair, but I have this dodgy bit in my head here which I really need to re-dye like brown, because my mum did my hair for me. If you follow, you see it both on both sides. It just went wrong. I just need to redo my hair basically. But I always like to try and cover them or put a plait or something in my hair to just add something to it, more than just this. Even though this is really nice, natural and straight down, I just love that little bit of texture to it. So unfortunately all my clear elastics have gone now, so luckily for me I have 2 of Abigail's that are here. I don't know why I've got them, but I have, maybe from when she came over once or twice. I've got just thinner elastics and then I've got loads of grips. But if you have got the clear or like the elastic band kind of ones, you can use them too. So we'll start with number 1, and you want to just put your hair in half because it's always easier that way. Ignore my dodgy patches of hair. That's what I have to do when people on my Zoom calls or my Teams calls say, oh, let's see your hair today. I have to go like that and then turn around. So I really need to fix them patches, which I have got dye to do, I just haven't done it. Okay, so I hope you can see this. You want to take a little bit of the hair at the front as you would a plait, but we're going to fishtail it. And you're going to do this on both sides. So divide it into 2, like so. I'm going to move that bit out of the way so it's easier for you to see. See, 2, yeah? So you want to take a bit from the outside of 1 and put it into the middle section of the other side. Does that make sense? And then the same on that side to that side. That side. To that side. And carry on doing that the whole way down. You'll probably see it a bit better once I've finished, but that is how you do a fishtail, basically. It's doesn't help that my hair is so dark. You can sort of see it forming now. You see it? Obviously if you've got short hair you can still do this, it just you won't be still fishtailing by now. Okay, my camera run out of storage, but I have gone as far as I can down because it's getting wispy now. So I'm just going to put this elastic in. Please do, if you have, put in a clear one. I'm going to go and invest in some clear ones today. I thought I had more left, but I don't. Because that would look so much better with a clear elastic in. Right. Do the same the other side as well. You can easily leave it like that because it looks cute down like that, or which I think I will, oh, I've done that weird, hang on. Yeah, like that, and then clip it back with a grip. That's how I'm gonna have it. So you might want to play around with this bit a bit, but once your hair's down in front it will be fine. And there's a texture in it. Okay, I'm going to do the same the other side and then I will be back. Okay, so this one took me less time because obviously I wasn't filming, I wasn't whatever. So you could leave them both down like this because I've just took this one out for you, or you can put them back how I had. This one has gone way better than the first one. So I unclipped that one. Oh, and I put the purple things in the end because it just matched. So, grip it. And crisscrossing it so it stays in. I want you to dig into some hair. And then this one that hasn't gone as well, you can go here. I've got a mirror behind me if you don't know where I am. Haven't filmed in this location for ages. Oh no, that looks better now. And there is your hair. Let me just put this all back for you. Obviously if you had clear bobbles or the colour of your hair bobbles, it would look so much better than these purple ones. But there it is. I was going to show you 3 hairstyles today, but I've just thought, no, this is really good, I really like this one, so I've gone with this one and none others. Maybe in the future I'll do some more. If you've got a side part in, like the shorter sides of it, so if you did another one and then another one, that would look really cool as well. But I'm really pleased with this. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below your favourite plait to do. 100% fishtails look amazing, and actually once you get the hang of them they're really easy to do. You just need to have a bit of practice, so just play around. If you're sitting on a sofa watching TV, whatever you're doing, just play around. You'll get the hang of it because it only took me like 2 attempts and then I've been able to crack it. You can also do it like here, do it from this bit here and then round to there. That looks really cute as well. If you want me to do any more then let me know. But thanks for watching. Bye.